Is this the Tollway place?
These rear buttons.
Oh, yeah, these.
Whoa.
I was wondering who made these buttons.
Serge.
Serge, okay.
So wait till you see inside.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm
Baxter and
always
Sons.
wondering. All right, let's listen to
If
it.
you want to know who Baxter and Sons is, they are a generic company in
Let's
Dallas.
listen.
Wait, let me just check one thing. No barriers, we're all good.
Awesome.
No shaft lights either, that's all good.
I love those buttons.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, nice elevator. Let me look at this real quick. Let me take a picture.
Yeah, I kind of want stills too, because I believe they're modernizing these in the next months.
Baxter and Sons.
This is my first actual Baxter and Sons elevator.
Really?
Well, I have a panel from it.
You've
but
never been on a B&S?
Nope.
I've been on billions.
These are neat elevators.
You want to check another one?
Give it a 6.
These are my favorites.
All right, we're just gonna take one ride and then we're getting out of here.
I want to press 1.
All right.
I love these
Or do you want to
buttons.
get out up here?
I wouldn't recommend it.
All right, hit the door close button.
I like those.
All
Those
right,
are
we
cool.
got what we need now.
I believe this is on a new controller.
These are neat.
These are really
The
cool.
parking garages in the next door building are really weird too. Weird disrupts.
Let's listen to this.
Replace controller. Maybe not.
All right, neat elevator.
When I was little, I thought these were Dovers for some reason.
Well, they look like it.
These
Yeah.
are neat. These are neat elevators.
From 1981. Oh crap, shaft lights, that's never good.
All right, let's let it go. These are pretty good for that.
It will go.
All right, that'll be it.
That's, oh, there it goes. All right. Neat. All right. Well, that'll be it.
Modernizing it.